Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I am just loving these Children's Place thin gray stretch chino pants for my son. Take a closer look at the beautiful color. They're also really soft and so comfortable. As you can see here, they fit him so well. These are the skinny size, and I just find that it's perfect for his slim fit. They're a size 6, and I actually went ahead and bought the size 7 as well, so that when he grows out of these, he can still have another pair. What I also love about these pants is that inside they have the adjustable band, which all moms know every kid needs. They're just so nice because that way the pants can be very versatile and fit all different kid sizes. If you're looking for a really stylish, nice pant that your kiddo can use for school or for a more dressy event, I definitely would recommend these pants, but that's just my point of view.